Smart, convenient, fun. In the wave of technology, every innovation reshapes our lives. Shenzhen Wandechu Technology Kochi, Limited, specializes in AI and OT system development for smart dining, pioneering data-driven digital cooking solutions through innovative hardware and software integration. With health, convenience, taste, and joy as our core values, we leverage IoT, AI, and big data analytics to revolutionize kitchen experiences, delivering smart, one-step cooking solutions for healthy meals. We've developed 3 smart solutions: Wandechu AI Chef, Unmanned Kitchens, and Wandechu Smart Cafeteria. Powered by our proprietary Jurong cooking model, Wandechu AI Chef features intelligent recognition, one-step cooking, breakfast synchronization, meal planning, and taste customization. It surpasses traditional automation limits, truly understanding ingredients and personal preferences to enable fully autonomous kitchens. Leveraging big data and AI, we bridge industry and consumers, empowering traditional hardware and food manufacturers to serve 120 diners simultaneously with 24/7 availability. By 2026, our unmanned kitchens will cover 10,000 key locations, partnering with 300 food companies to develop 2,000 dishes, making great meals accessible to all.